Alright, hello people. Today I'm going to show you how to rebuild a CB400t, CM400t, anything like that. Old Honda 400s. So, to get this off, you probably already know, you have to get this off. It's in the bike. It's a 27mm socket. And also, while it's in the bike, it helps to use, or to get the little Allen bolt. It's in here, and this is a long 6mm Allen key. Just goes like that. Helpful to have an impact wrench, but should be able to get it out otherwise. Then the next step is to get this out, which is a 14mm Allen wrench. Now you might be thinking, what do you need? What's a 14mm Allen wrench? Where do I get one of those? Just use a 14mm bolt, lock the two nuts together, and you got a 14mm Allen key. And it just screws out. When it gets to the top, it'll pop out, so be careful. Well, that one didn't pop out too much. So then there's these two bits. Pretty obvious how they go in. Thing that goes down goes down. And then you pull your spring out. Make sure you pay attention to which end came from where. There is a small end and it's supposed to go down. That's this one. You can't see it. It tapers to smaller and the rest of it. And then once that's done, you want to go down the bottom and fully loosen this. And the bolt will come out as well eventually. And I'm making this look easy because everything's all open already. But yeah, so that's going to come out. Oh, and I should have mentioned, this one's already drained, but once you take that spring out, you point the fork into your thing and compress like that, and that gets all the old fork oil out. You let it drain for a bit, then take this bottom bit out. So once you've done that, you lift this out, and then come back to that to clean it up later. But you can see what you do is you take this out with something like a screwdriver, just pries out. I'm making it look very difficult, but it's really not. Just like that. And then what you do is you pry it out like that, but you're going to want to use some stuff to protect the fork, so when you pry it doesn't gouge here or gouge in there. So yeah, I'm not going to show you that, but that's how you do it. And then this. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to shake, or this thing actually, this is how it goes. It's supposed to have a little cap, but I don't have it here, so I'm using a socket, and then the Allen key goes in there. To get it out, you just shake it, shake the fork that way, and it just pops out. It's got a little spring, and just make sure you put it back in same as you got it. Then flush out this fork, clean it all up, and then reassembling, you put it in here, and with the cap on it, so you put it into the tube that way. And then you put your Allen bolt back in there and tighten that up. And then to get your new seal in, you take your old seal, you slide it on there, and then you use a hammer and a screwdriver to smack it that way till it seats and you can get the clip back in. Then you put your spring back in properly. So narrow end down, pull. Yes, the Allen bolt isn't in yet, but anyway, that's what it looks like. And then you put this is when you fill it with oil actually. So 140 cc's is the spec. And once that's done, put these guys in. Really kind of annoying because you have to push and turn, which is a pain, but it's doable. And then you're pretty much good to go. You put your dust boot back on, and now I'm just dropping things. And then make sure everything's tight, and that's pretty much it. Just redid your fork seals. Just some cautions, the Allen bolt that goes in here is supposed to have Loctite or thread locker on it, not permanent, but the blue kind is good. And then when you're hammering your new seals in, you want to make sure to not damage this surface.